some numbers, information. What was the budget? I just skip. I know I'm going to need to work with these numbers, so I just skip to the question, part of the question. What was the budget balance of the government in that year? Oh, let's see. Expenses minus revenue. Expenses are more expenditures, expenses, right? So 66 minus 40 is 26. 28 minus 19 is 9. So the answer is 926, but it's negative. So the answer must be 926 million deficit. Maybe that's an easy question. I think it's pretty easy. Here's question 23. Here, make it easier to read. Let's see. So what is the change in GDP per head? Oh, we also have to do some numbers here. After taking account of price increases, so what's the real change? Oh, between 2000 and 2013. So first we need GDP per head in 2000, because they're going to change from, the CPI is 100 in 2000, so the real GDP per head is just, I mean, you can see this, it's 4,000 divided by 3, which is going to be 1333. So we already know C or D is our answer. But what's the price increase? Let's see, the price increase is, now for 2013 will be divided by 4. The price increase is, let's see, 6,000 divided by 4, but it's actually not 6,000 divided by 4. It's 6,000 divided by 4, which is 1,500, right? That's this answer, D. But that's not correct because there was 20% inflation. So you can imagine, and you can see this, right? You just divide the answer by 1.2, 20% inflation, and you have 1250. So the answer must be C. Fingers are not very good. Got that? It's kind of easy math, but it helps to know what to do. Let's try 24. Oh, 24. Which statement about the poorest families in developing economies is not likely to be correct? So which one is not correct? Statement about poor families. Children will be expected to work, probably, for the poorest families in developing economies. The children are probably going to work. B, the family will find it easy to obtain loans to develop their farms. That is not likely to be correct, because if you're poor, it's hard to get a loan, right? Let's see. Let's check C. I think B is the answer, but let's check C. C is likely to be correct. The family will probably have low earning capacity or low earning ability. So that's correct. And D, the family will suffer from malnutrition and lack of medical care. Probably. So that's likely to be correct. We're not sure, but definitely not likely to be correct. Easy financing for the poor family's farm.